to pay tribute to an outstanding Kenyan who participated in the struggle to liberate this country in the very early days from the yoke of colonialism, a politician who then laid the foundation for the economic fruits that Kenya is experiencing today, and indeed a politician whom Kenyans voted for overwhelmingly against all odds in 2002 and defied what one would have called deep state project or interference, and they voted for Mwai Kibaki overwhelmingly. Kenya has lost an illustrious son, a great economist who contributed to Pan-Africanism, who stood out and worked to lay our blueprint today, even as we review the challenges that we have faced over time. We say to his family that may you have God's grace during this difficult time. And for Kenyans, let us all put his family in prayers, because he has made a tremendous contribution to the well-being of the people of Kenya. God rest his soul in eternal peace. Thank you.